end in?
Biggest.
No. Okay, let's discuss further. Okay, now let's have this one. Okay, please read.
Comparative and superlative.
Adjectives. Okay, now let's have the first rule. So these are the rules when you are using comparative and superlative adjectives. Okay, number 1.
Use comparative adjectives to
2.
compare two people or things.
Okay, so again, only 2 people or things. For example,
The, the symbols are smaller than the kettle drum.
okay, so you have ER and you use the word than. So remember again, only 2 people or things. So you compare. All right, the next one.
Use superlative adjectives to compare 3 or more people or things.
Okay, so 3 or more, or the best and the best or the lowest comparison. Okay, for example,
The piano is the heaviest instrument in the
okay, so very good. So your verb, no, your adjective end in est.
heaviest.
Okay, so do you have questions?
No, I don't.
So can you make a comparison? Can you make a comparative sentence? Then you compare 2 things or person. So you choose any of the verbs as long as it ends in ER. Like smaller, bigger, shorter, taller. Okay, you make a sentence.
The old house is smaller than the new house.
Okay, very good. The old house is smaller than the new house. Okay, so what are the things that are being compared? The old and the new houses. Okay, now how about superlative degree? So your verb or your adjective, your adjective must end in est. Biggest, smallest, tallest, shortest. But then you are comparing 3 or more.